Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Azure Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. In today's quick video, I'm going to teach you guys how to change your location on WeChat without any stress. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you would like to check more previous topic as far as WeChat registration, WeChat tips and tricks is concerned, all you have to do is to make sure you visit my channel and remember to click on the playlist right here. So when you click on the playlist, it takes you right here. Then you have to scroll down and make sure you click on here. Then from there, you'll be able to see more related topic for as far as importation from China is concerned. Alipay related topic. You can see WeChat. This is one of WeChat. This is another WeChat topic. And you can scroll down and see this is a topic about WeChat Pay, and this is another related topic on WeChat and WeChat, etc., and how you can successfully sign up on WeChat without any stress, and Alipay related topic, etc. So there are many things you can as well learn from this playlist on my channel. And if you would like to connect with me for paid tutorial, you can check the description of this video and see how you can get in touch with me. So guys, without any wasting of much of our time, so let's quickly go to WeChat and see how you can change your WeChat location. Alright guys, so here we go. So when you open up your WeChat, you have to come to me right here, click on me. Then after click on me, you have to click on this point here. Just tap on there. So when you tap on that, you have to come to more info. From there, you'll be able to come to region section right here. Then here you can select any country you are located at this point right here. So guys, this is how you change your WeChat location or your region without any stress, step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is to follow the step and see how you get it done. And lastly but not the least, if you still like to check more previous tutorial about WeChat, all you have to do is to make sure you visit my channel and click on the playlist, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit. Thank you guys for watching this video from beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.